Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to promote Clickbank products without a website, specifically on Instagram. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. So if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you guys. I appreciate you. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. Again, we're talking about how to promote Clickbank products without a website on Instagram. So Instagram has a massive traffic loophole. And why is this good for you? Because it's a great opportunity to make money with affiliate marketing, specifically on Clickbank, and not a lot of people know about this. And the great part is that you don't have to have an account with Instagram, and it's a really good way to get targeted leads for not a lot of money. So how do we tap into this? There's people that own accounts that have no way to monetize it, and those people can have like millions of followers, and you can pay as little as $30 to post a shout out on their account. So most people are using this method to get more followers, but the right way that you want to do it is to build a squeeze page and then collect email addresses to grow your business that way. So the great part about this method is that it's targeted traffic, and you can build, again, a large email list in a very short period of time, and these people are going to be very targeted toward your offer or what it is that you're selling. So how do you buy a shout out? You're going to go to Instagram and use the search feature and find an account that is in your specific niche that has a lot of followers. And the way that you can tell that they do shout outs is that they have an email address in their bio. And this is an example of one that I found. It may take you a while to find these accounts, but it's worth it because it's so targeted, and you can build your email list in a short period of time for people that are actually searching for what it is that you have to offer. So for example, I searched health in the search here, and this one came up as 60,000 followers, and you can see that they have an email address here. So that's an account that you could reach out to, and you can email them with this message: hey, I want to do a shout out on your account, can you please let me know your prices? And there's a lot of great statistics on how well this works. Is for about if there's a post that has 3,000 likes, you can get about 500 emails. That's for an account that has 1 million followers, and you can spend about $150, which is really good for 500 emails. So what you have to do is have something that you can give away for free so that you can exchange people's email addresses for what it is that you have to offer for free. And then you have an image, then you can create that on canva.com, that's free, or you can go to fiverr.com and pay someone $5 to create a cool image for you to use with the shout out. This is an example of one that someone has done, just to give you an idea. And some pointers that you want to take into account is that you want to do it for a shorter period of time. Like, rather than do it for 24 hours, you want to do it maybe 3 times a day for 1 hour so you can catch more people. And that's basically it. You go into Instagram and search for accounts in your niche that have a lot of followers. They have an email address here. Then you direct message them, ask them if they'd be willing to do a shout out, and with the message that I mentioned earlier. Hey, I want to do a shout out on your account. Can you please let me know your prices? And then you can negotiate from there. So that's it for this video. I hope you got some value from this on how to promote Clickbank products without a website. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and again, subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye now.